Hey, this is Josh with SprintRay's professional education team, here to give you some tips and tricks to get the best out of your 3D printing workflows. Today, we will be looking at the SprintRay Cloud Drive integration using the Medit Link software. In the Medit Link software, once your scans have completed processing, you can export directly to SprintRay Cloud using the app integration from the app box. Click the icon and a pop-up window will appear asking you to send this case to SprintRay Cloud. Click OK. An upload will automatically initiate in the background and open the SprintRay Cloud portal once complete. Your files will be accessible via the Cloud Drive icon in the upper right-hand corner and will be listed under the Patients section from the left-hand menu. To assign the captured data to an existing patient in SprintRay Cloud Design, select the patient from the list, and you will see the uploaded data. Select the files you wish to assign using the checkboxes next to the STL files, and then assign to patient using the icon on the bottom, and choose the patient from the patient list. You can also add a new patient directly from the Cloud Drive window. Once complete, a confirmation notification will show below. For new patients, once an upload is complete, the patient will be automatically added to your patient list, and the files will be accessible when starting a new treatment. To easily access your uploaded data, select your preferred treatment and input your patient-specific settings, as well as your printer and print settings. And on the Upload Patient File section, you will have access to your cloud files. Click on the Cloud Drive link in the Upload File section to view the uploaded files that have been added to your Cloud Drive for that patient. Click the Add Files once it's been selected, and the file will immediately be accessible and uploaded to the Cloud Drive. No external uploading required. Once finished, complete the rest of treatment submission, and you can continue with the world's fastest dentistry workflow. Thanks for joining us with today's tips and tricks.